In front of me is POCO X6, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim. When it's ready, open it. To mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up. Click on this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those settings. You can even select presets and select one of those. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up to use it. Following that, select this X at the top right corner and those three lines at the bottom one. Then click on Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper and select one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I want to use mine or Home Screen only, so when I tap and close Magic Fluids app, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!